Splash down in here. Oh, it's deep today. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As always, like, subscribe, comment, help us grow. I'm doing a little solo riding today up in the mountains of North Georgia. Just going on the Georgia Traverse a little bit. Right now I'm on Patterson Gap Road, just heading towards Charlie's Creek. Gonna do some playing over there. Make the best of the day and just enjoy the beautiful weather. That's how I'll make my way to Charlie's Creek Road and Tallulah River Road. Just play around over there, do some creek crossings. One of them's like when you go on Tallulah River Road and you cross over, I guess that's the Tallulah River going over to Charlie's Creek. That might be Charlie's Creek. I ain't sure the name of the creek. I'll find out. But you go sort of like a river forge. You go into it and go, I'll be going to the right, just forge up a little bit and go back over. I hope this road right here is open. Oh man, it's closed. Just gotta stay on Patterson Gap Road. Usually go that way right there, Forest Road 32C. A couple creeks on that road to cross. It's closed off right now. So it looks like I can stay on this Patterson Gap Road and connect back to Tallulah River Road. That Patterson Gap Road just turned into pavement. I don't know what that is right there. It's kind of like a camp, boys camp or something. Nice little lake down there. Pretty cool. That way, going that way, takes hardly no time to get to Tallulah River Road versus going through that road that was closed at 32C. I think there's three paid campgrounds on this road. I don't think there's much free camping on Tallulah River Road. If you go on Charlie's Creek, you can do some dispersed camping. It's fixing to turn to gravel now. The first campground is right there, right back there on the left. Is Tallulah River Campground. I think it's the name of it. The other one's Tate Branch and Sandy Branch, I think, is the next two. You can see this is a pretty cool gravel road though. That river, the river runs all the way down through there. The whole road. And that's the one we'll be crossing here shortly. You can see now I switched to the other side, to the right hand side now, but same river. See how cool that is? It's a cool road. Here's the river forging crossing right here. Time for some old wet feet, buddy. Splash down in here. A little deep today, golly. That's the biggest one. This is Charlie's Creek now, the road. I see you got, probably should have come over here more if you want shallower water. So I crossed it last time, way smoother than that, but yeah, and you can go this way. That gets really deep right there. That's the big one. This road must not be too rough. They must have had it, still must be in pretty good shape as a Honda CR-V come through there. And two-wheel drive one at that. So I think we'll be alright, alright, alright. Jimmy, I about fell on that one, bud. Pushed me over there to the right coming in. Really got deep on me. Only second time I've ever crossed that one. Sloppy crossing. But I didn't drop it, so we're good to go. That's a pretty cool road too here. The little creek running down through there. Splash. Boom. You gotta love adventure biking. Stuff's so fun. Oh, a little creek here. I think it's this one and one more, I think. So far, enjoying this little ride. Been a minute since I've been on Charlie's Creek. Got crashed in that, went down in that, in Charlie's Creek, the actual creek crossing, but pretty good so far. Little creeks to cross, little lunch spot. You know, eat a little snack, just some crackers, nothing fancy, and continue on down this road. It was a pretty fun creek crossing there. The rocks ain't as bad here. They say this road used to be really bad as far as just tore up ruts and stuff. I thought it would be bad now. I think it's a lot of traffic. It's a real popular road. A deep one, a deep one. It's so deep. Right here in the middle, it's deep right there. This last creek right here, this one I just now crossed, it's decently long, I guess, but it's like really deep. There's the deepest part, from like right here all the way to about right there is really deep. I'd say, I don't know, a foot and a half maybe. Probably, if you judge it, probably almost up to your knees. I hit that big boulder over there and this one, and I think I hit that one last time. But a few chunky rocks in there, as you can see. That was a pretty good creek crossing, a little deep. So if you watch day 4 of the Smoky Mountain 500 videos, we ended in Suches. If you continued on, this is where you would end up on this road. They put some thick gravel on this downhill now. I think this is the last little bit of this road. Just ends down, and you go down to the end of the road, go just a little piece, take a left, and you'll be back still on the Georgia Traverse. I'm not 100% sure which way Smoky Mountain 500 goes. Probably the same way. I'm not sure though. And that's the end of it. Like I said, you gotta right down there and take a left. Still on the Georgia Traverse. Looks like you're the same too on the Smoky Mountain 500. Alright, I guess this is about where we're going to end this video. All in all, good day, crossed some creeks, had fun, didn't crash. So that's a good one. It's a win in my book. So as always, like, subscribe, comment, and hopefully Timmy will be back soon, and we'll be back on some more adventures. See y'all in the next one.